Hello friends, my name is Hemanto Kumar Patil. Today we are going to study about challenges in human resource management. The module name is Challenges in Human Resource Management, and the prerequisite for this module is basic understanding of human resource management. So please watch the video on human resource management basics. And our objective in this module is to study the challenges in human resource management. The content comprises of learning outcome, introduction, challenges in human resource management, summary. After studying this module, you should be able to understand the present and future challenges in human resource management. This will help you in performing your job as a human resource manager. Technological developments and globalization has brought paradigm shift in the way of doing business. In today's dynamic business world, HR managers face a range of challenges in managing human resources and implementing effective HR strategies. Understanding these challenges today will help future human resource managers to tackle them effectively at the first encounter. So, this module on challenges in human resource management is very important. Human resource management challenges may be classified broadly into three categories: core challenges, environmental challenges, organizational challenges. The core challenges comprises of the basic responsibilities of a human resource manager. These are the primary responsibilities of any human resource manager. As a human resource manager, it is the manager's duty to maintain an optimum level of inventory of human resources, that is employees, for achievement of organizational objectives. Attrition refers to reduction in workforce caused by primarily by resignation or retirement. So the human resource manager tried to reduce attrition rate as well as turnover of employees. Enhancing productivity of employees is the primary responsibility of the human resource manager. He must think upon and sort out strategies to enhance employee productivity. He should look after the skill gaps and organize trainings, workshops to improve the skills of the employees and their productivity level. Employee selection is another primary responsibility of human resource manager. To selecting the right employee in an interview is really a challenge. The HR manager has to consider a number of factors to select the best suitable employee for the organization. As head of the HRM department, the human resource manager has to handle employee emotions, insecurities, grievances. He has to play the role of a counselor. He has to do counseling of his employees to reduce their stress level or other insecurities. He has to sort out strategies to integrate employee aspirations and organizational objectives. If this uh, if this is not handled properly, this may lead to the employees leaving the organization. Team spirit and teamwork is very important for achievement of organizational goals and objectives. So the HR manager is responsible for building team spirit among the employees, and it is really a challenging task in today's scenario because the employees have diverse backgrounds. So while challenging employees for the organization, the HR manager usually looks after this quality, whether the candidate has capability to work in a team or not. If he has the capability to work in the team is suitable for hiring in the organization. The environmental challenges are mostly reactionary challenges because you can't do anything. You have to give reaction to those challenges. So the first environmental challenge is the impact of globalization. Globalization refers to extension beyond national bound borders to other countries, and it is accelerating the level of world trade and commerce. And it is also leading the operations of companies from their home countries to other countries, turning into multinational companies. This means that the HR manager has to deal with unfamiliar laws of different countries, which is a major challenge. And also, work ethics and styles of employees in different countries will be different. Second environmental issue, legal issues, is mainly related to political environment. Change in political regime of a country may result in formulation of new laws which is binding on the organization operating in that country. The HR needs to be proactive to anticipate these changes in relation to change in political regime and also be aware of new regulations to make the organization adapt and legally compliant to avoid penalties. Managing workforce diversity is another challenge of an HR. With companies turning global, multinational companies hire employees from different countries, which results in increase in diversity of employees. The success of an organization depends on its capability to manage employees with diverse cultural background, age, genders, lifestyles, work ethics, etc. If handled properly, workforce diversity can be a strategic organizational asset and provide competitive advantage to that company. Another major challenge is created by technological developments. Technological advancement influence the way organizations functions. New technology reduces the jobs that require less skills and may need individuals with specialized skills as employees. So the organization to adapt to this new environment of technological development must change the way of its operation by hiring employees with new skills. And in the process, the organizations may have to let off some of their old employees. So creating a balance between these two is a challenge a HR manager generally faces with technological advancement. Lack of qualified, skilled, employable recruits is another challenge faced by human resource managers. And the last point of environmental challenge is dynamic business conditions, which is mainly related to the economic environment. Dynamic business conditions bring new challenges to the human resource manager. The changes in factors of production has impact on HR policies as it is related to reduction in operation cost. for sustainability of the organization. Similarly, we can cite another example. The ongoing COVID 19 pandemic has forced the employees of organizations to work from home. And as the human resource manager basically deals with the employees, it poses major challenge in performance of his duty in this unusual, unexpected situation. Human resource manager has to find out ways to get productive output from employees even after working from home uh, during this lockdown period announced by government. So this is also an environmental unexpected challenge faced by HR managers of organizations in this century. The organizational challenges faced by human resource managers are mainly related to quality enhancement or increasing productivity levels of the employees. So you have to find ways to increase the productivity of employees to achieve organizational goals, as well as during uh, uncertain situations or economic turbulence, the human resource manager has to initiate cost control strategies for sustainability of the organization. Similarly, the human resource manager also have to face challenges due to the strategic issues or strategic decisions of the companies. Organizational changes such as change management initiatives, organizational development interventions, corporate reorganizations like acquisitions, mergers are great challenges for human resource managers, as there may be changes in pay, benefits, compensation packages, and even retrenchment and job loss. So these are the major challenges faced by an human resource manager uh, with reference to the organizational context. So here is a basic summary of this module. Understanding human resource management challenges is very important as it helps the human resource manager to tackle unforeseen situations in a more effective way and to make more proactive decisions. We may classify the challenges in human resource management broadly into three categories: core challenges, environmental challenges, and organizational challenges. Thank you.